Hey, what's going on? It's James Canzanella, your Affiliate Hero, and in today's video, what I have for you are going to be 3 affiliate marketing / internet marketing tips that you can utilize to save you a ton of time, effort, or even money. These are tips / mistakes that I have done / used in the past that I either would recommend or wouldn't recommend. I'm going to give you my thoughts on that, but before I do, in case you are new to this channel, feel free to look down and hit the subscribe button, as we'll be putting out many more videos related to affiliate marketing, internet marketing, entrepreneurship, mindset. Did I say entrepreneurship? Whatever, you know what I meant, mindset and all that other great stuff. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get right on into it. I wrote them down on a list just in case I don't forget, and I stare at the camera thinking, what was number 2? Anyway, this is number 1. You ready for it? Awesome. So passion is whatever. Yeah, that's actually my first tip, so to speak, but hear me out, okay? I say whatever because so many people make a big deal about passion. They're like, oh, I love my passion. I love sewing. I love fishing. I love croqueting. I love staying on my head and juggling 10 cans at once. Whatever it's going to be, they got a passion for something. And a lot of times, unfortunately, they have this really random passion where it's just not a big deal when it comes to going online and actually making a business out of it. So you hear it a lot. It's like, make profit from your passion, build a business out of your passion, do what you love. Like, it sounds great. I get it. I know how marketing works, okay? People aren't gonna say, make profits from something you hate the most, that's like the most annoying thing in the world. No one's ever gonna do it, okay? So you want to make sure that your passion is something that's actually viable when it comes to marketing, okay? When it comes to some of the best niches, we're looking at health, wealth, and relationships. Till the end of time, there's always going to be problems when it comes to those, right? People are breeding. There's always going to be new people with new problems. Not really new problems, the same old problems, just with new people, okay? So you can count on those. A lot of times what happened, for example, when I came into affiliate marketing, online business, I was huge on fitness. I was a personal trainer. I'd won a transformation contest. Like, I trained with the best natural bodybuilder in the world, got coached by him. It was great. Aside from that, I had this huge momentum into fitness, building muscle, losing weight, and so on and so forth. However, I was getting going. I was kind of having, a lot of trouble by myself trying to figure things out. So I got coaching, which ended up being like for the internet marketing space. Now, in the beginning, I wasn't passionate about internet marketing. I was passionate about building muscle, getting a shredded six-pack, the broccoli and chicken that I'm going to be eating, and so on and so forth at the time. So I didn't have this huge passion for, like, how do I market this stuff? However, once I kind of dove into it and I started solving the problem turned into the passion. This is what a lot of people don't realize. Heck, even when I was in high school, I was like I had no confidence whatsoever. I was still like around 6'2". I was probably 170 pounds. I was like as skinny as hell, no confidence, couldn't talk to women. I was horrible with women until I started reading into it. I read books about it. I watched videos, whatever it's going to be. I started practicing and implementing. And once again, like, the pain and the problem turned into the passion. Because once you start doing stuff with it, you start getting results, then you start liking it. My point here is that you don't have to love exactly what you're going to be going into. The more you dive into it, it can actually turn into something you love. That's how I started liking affiliate marketing, internet marketing, because I was bad at marketing in the fitness niche. So I figured out how to, try to market, and then I started being good at in the internet marketing, affiliate marketing space, and then I started liking it. You see what I mean? I was never really passionate about it in the beginning. Fitness was my thing. So you can grow into a new passion. It doesn't have to be 100% what you love. Yes, it would help if it was, but it's always not like a big game changer or deal breaker, okay? Got it? Cool. Because I know that stops a lot of people from moving forward. They're like, I love opening, Christmas presents. That's my passion. I mean, yeah, if you want to be like that kid who reviews stuff and like opens up unboxes and make millions of dollars, it's possible, but not as likely because there's not a lot of people doing that. See what I mean? So that's number 1. Number 2 is going to be multiple streams of income. This is a simple tip. You probably already heard it before, but it's imperative, okay? It's really tough to put all your eggs in one basket. I know a lot of like big gurus say that and so on and so forth, but as you get going, if you put all of your eggs in one basket when it comes to affiliate marketing, there can be times where they shut down, or they move and they switch, or they cut commissions, or if you're doing like a CPA offer, I've had plenty of CPA networks like go under, like they can't pay their affiliates anymore, so they were done. I have personally lost, I'd say, between $1,000 and $2,000 before. Like, I was promoting an offer and they just like went bankrupt. They couldn't pay anyone. Like, that's always fun, right? But aside from that, when you have multiple offers, if something like that happens, it's not going to be a huge deal. If you are making a ton of money with one offer, consider obviously building upon that. But at the same time, you can also go in and add more offers to it. A lot of people talk about, say if you're promoting software, like should I only just promote, say, ClickFunnels? When you look at it, some of the top affiliates and affiliates like me actually promote multiple types of software, because I know there's not just one software for everyone. If someone doesn't want to use ClickFunnels, they might want to use Leadpages. Okay, if they don't want to use Leadpages, they might want to use Builderall. They might want to use Kartra. They might want to use Unbounce. Whatever it's going to be, that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. It's kind of like going to a buffet and saying like, I'm only going to have the salad. Like, but there's also soup, there's steak, there's chicken, there's vegan stuff, there's rice, there's beans. Who goes to a buffet and just orders one thing? That's kind of my opinion and preference when it comes to promoting offers. You can promote multiple types of them because all of them have different features and benefits depending on what the person is looking for. So diversifying your income streams is really going to help you when it comes to affiliate marketing. In case one does go down, doesn't always happen, but there's a chance that it could. It's really going to help you up to kind of future-proof your business. So 3, last one, do not focus 100% on low ticket items. This was a huge mistake I did when I was doing a lot of product launches. And all I was pretty much doing was promoting $7 offers, $7 offers, $7 offers. Ironically enough, I don't promote as many now, I still do. But the fact of the matter is you want to focus a lot on mid-ticket / high ticket, that's one right there, and of course recurring. Recurring income is one of the greatest things since like sliced bread. I can't tell you how amazing it is to wake up month after month knowing that there's going to be a good amount of income already coming in. Russell Brunson once talked about that, how when it comes to continuity, he was doing membership pages. So that's another great way of doing it. But for affiliate marketing, that's why software is a great thing, because usually it's monthly. So you get paid monthly, like 30%, 40%, sometimes more, depending on what it's going to be. But knowing that you have that income coming in is awesome, okay? Because a lot of people, what'll happen, say if they promote something, they get $100 for it, and then they got to make what, 30 to make 3,000? I think if my math is correct, I don't feel like doing it. But then that means next month they got to do 30 again, just to get to that base level, 30 again, and then so on. And they got to build upon that, put in all that effort. But when you promote something that's recurring, you keep putting in that effort, but as the months go on, it adds up, and adds up. So you're putting the same amount of effort, but it's snowballing much higher as opposed to just being at the same level depending on how much effort you put in. So it's a very important thing. It's also much harder to reach a higher income when you're promoting products that are much lower. I did this a ton when I was doing product launching. It was all these lower ticket items. It never occurred to me to actually start promoting higher ticket stuff. In fact, I remember after the last product launch I did, I had a product I was going to actually launch it. This is when I was doing a ton of courses, which I don't do anymore. And I pretty much decided to launch it myself. I didn't, get JVs. I just put it on a webinar. It was either $297, then it went up to $497. And just like that, it was like $10,000 without having any JVs promote it. And I'm like, holy crap. This is so much better than getting people to promote it and then paying them and not making that much in the process. So that was kind of the last straw, so to speak, when it came to just promoting 100% low ticket items. I mean, think about it. You got to make 1,000 sales of a $7 product to make $7,000. That's a lot of people saying yes, where say if you're promoting something that was $1,000, it's just 7 people. Kind of wrap your mind around that, because I know a lot of people are still doing that where it's just low ticket stuff. I mean, if that floats your boat, that's fine, but at least add in recurring items, mid-ticket items, high-ticket items. They're out there. You just got to look for them. You got to know where to find them, and it's really going to help you out. So kind of wrapping it up, number 1, passion is whatever. We talked about that. You know what I mean with that. 2, make sure you at least start going after multiple streams of income, okay? Especially if you have one now that's big. You can add to it still, but look for others where you can diversify in the process. Of course, don't focus 100% on low ticket items. You can promote them, but like if it's all you're doing, it's going to make your online business / affiliate marketing business so much harder. Okay. So aside from that, I hope you enjoyed that when it comes to these 3 tips to affiliate marketing / internet marketing. If you'd like some more information when it comes to actually building an online business where you can promote those different types of items, not just the lower ones, but the recurring and high ticket, I'll put a link down below. /button. Yeah, one of those. Depending on where you're watching this, you can check that out to get some more information. I know you will like it. Aside from that, I am James Canzanella. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.